We're going to use Google Reader to find some interesting things to read. So once you're in Reader, note the menus at the top. If you're in Gmail, you can click right to the Reader. You're going to go to the Browse for Stuff tab on the left column. And it's going to give you a couple of quick getting started feed bundles. They suggest feed bundles based on who you are already subscribed to. So because I'm subscribed to some different teachers, this is a teacher that has made, it's called a list. You can subscribe to a list of feeds where this is created by this Google user, and it's a few of the Google certified teachers, and he says it's growing. So I'm actually going to subscribe to that because that looks pretty interesting. Or over to the left side, you can see different bundles that Google suggests where you can read news, and it gives you BBC, NPR, New York Times, CNN. I'm skipping a couple there, but nice little bundles that you can automatically subscribe to a bunch of different feeds. If you wanted to search for your own, go to the search tab up at the top, and you can use keywords. So we'll use education and search for feeds that write about education. So to the left of each of the feeds, you'll see how many subscribers, and you can subscribe to them directly. And once you click the subscribe button, they're going to start populating in your subscriptions down at the bottom left of the window there. So that will get you started with finding different feeds that you might be interested in, and then you can search here. Architecture. Once you have a list of subscriptions, you can begin reading if you start up here at all items. I currently have over 1,000 articles of current information that's been written, and as soon as they write or post an article, it automatically gets fed into your reader. So if you go to your all items here, you're going to start to see a list of all of the subscriptions in order by time when they were submitted to the website or blog, whatever you may be following. So the easiest way I find to read through, and once you start reading articles, they'll start getting taken off of your all items list. They start off highlighted, and then if you hit the space bar or the J key, it'll go, space bar cycles down, J skips automatically to the next article. So if it's a long article, if you hit the space bar, it'll continually give you the bottom of the article, or if you hit J, it automatically goes to the next article. So as you cycle through these, they end up at the top of your reader, and you can do some pretty quick skimming of headlines, and then if you're interested in the article, continue reading the article. That's one way to do it. Or you can cycle through and just scroll down the page and continually look for articles that you're interested in and click to them. I find that it's easier if I cycle through and it deselects the article and makes it so that they're grayed out, and I end up reading thousands of articles a day, or at least looking at thousands of headlines a day from all the different subscriptions and websites that are available out there on Google Reader. And now here is where the Google Reader is interesting. Once you find an article that you would like to share with your peers, anybody who is following you, you can scroll to the bottom of the article and share or share with note, and if you wanted to add a little annotation with it. But if you click share, it's going to go to everybody who is following you in your reader or in Google Buzz. And there's also a way that you can automatically send, anytime you click that share button, it'll send it to your Twitter account. So if you have hundreds or thousands of followers, anytime you promote or share an article, it'll go out to your followers and give them something interesting to read.